right. We should be up and running on both platforms, so let's go ahead and get started. We got about 1 minute until the market closes here. All right, and then we'll see kind of what the closing price is for the market today. All right, let's go ahead and get started. Good afternoon. This is Ifan from the Strategic Day Trader, and this is your market wrap for February 24th, 2021. Q's up 0.84 and SPY up 1.15. We've noted the last couple days a little bit of relative strength in the SPY. Didn't pull back as much at the end of last week, beginning of this week. And so, showing a little bit more relative strength here today. Now, coming into today, the expectation was bullish, but I expect us to rest a bit today, and especially the SPY. No rest at all. Okay, I was expecting an inside day, and even the Qs here breaking out above yesterday's high. We had a slight gap down, and the gap down got bought. Ended up being a trend day in the Qs. Okay, so bullish continuation there in the market. All right, and still expecting that dips to be buyable. Okay. Let's take a look at the hourly real quick here. So there is some potential that if we do kind of in this hourly uptrend, we can look for a retest of the lows. But for now, all right, still going to be bullish going into tomorrow. So unless we get something, either gap down tomorrow, steep sell-off, something like that, expectation is still higher. Now, we've had quite a move the last couple days here, especially in the SPY. All right, so not thinking all out another trend day tomorrow. Okay, but larger time frames are all bullish on the Qs and SPY. All right, let's get into today's plays. Today's plays on the UAMY here. This was one, actually, I didn't even have this. Well, it wasn't gapping. One of the room members found it. And as soon as I found it, I said this need to be played. And so this was a play over $2 there on the UAMY. Pretty nice. Because I played it as a scalp, I did not live through this little pullback here, but you can see it did have more to it. If you had played it as a standard breakout, then probably would have done pretty well as well. Okay, you didn't have to play it just as a scalp. But man, that was really impressive. Really great find by the room member. And I know this kind of came up fast. So I didn't get a chance to call it. And so this was just a high of the day base breakout. Look at the tightness of that base. You don't really get stuff like this every day. Okay. All right. And then the next play came up later in the morning. Was this OTIC. Okay, OTIC got this pullback here, and then we played this base right here. Okay, base breakout. Targets were 310. Okay, we got past 310. I said once we got past it, go ahead and trail to the bid. For me, it got me out because I had a couple cents spread, but as soon as it took out 313, I got filled at 312 on the front half, so not too bad. The entry was 302 by 297, so got about 10 cents there on the 5-cent stop right away, so 2 hours on the front half, and then we trailed the back half to break even. Okay, and so it came back in and eventually did trail out on the back half, so an R on that one. So not too bad. I mean, you would think, we went after a couple longs pretty early, and especially like this OTIC. I'll show you what the daily looked like here. Well, this is the 15-minute that it was doing the transition. Daily had that big gap down, and then we were kind of clearing the inside bar. Okay, not my standard play. It was kind of unique, so I was kind of more willing to play it because of that. But we went after some longs in the morning. Didn't really catch anything that ended up being a trend day like the market. So, overall a good day, but do feel like, kind of are on the right side of things. If you did the FSR, that was really good. I thought it was a little bit on the spready side, but actually was okay. You can see the trend here is pretty well maintained, pretty clean on the way up there. BA was another one that I was kind of watching all day for a pullback and just never gave it. Really nice weekly chart here, daily chart as well. Pretty nice. So yeah, there were definitely some nice things. I think there were some good opportunities today to take advantage of, along with the market. Um, and I think we did fine. But I do think we kind of missed out a little bit on some things here and there. But that's fine. That's pretty normal. It's just gonna happen. Can't really expect that I'm gonna play everything that follows through. But I thought the plays today, UAMY, OTIC, were both pretty solid. Okay, good setups. All right. So going into tomorrow, bullish on the Qs and SPY. SPY definitely showing relative strength here. Kind of similar going into tomorrow, the expectation that I had today. Because the market had a trend day, I'm not really expecting another wide range day tomorrow. We got the nice move today, trend day, so I'm thinking tomorrow, a little bit more neutral, but larger time frames all are bullish. Okay. All right. So that'll do it for today's market wrap. Hope you did well. All right. We'll be back at it tomorrow, and I will talk to you then. Have a good rest of the day.